The first step is you place the geo fabric at the bottom. This is just going to keep the moisture and the water in instead of going straight to the hole. These are all the pots of succulents that I've selected. Now I'm just adding in the pebbles. This will just keep all the potting mix in place and not slowly fall through the hole. Adding my potting mix now. So you start with the pebbles at the bottom and then you add some earth mix. And then I'm adding some more pebbles just to keep that base one nice and sturdy at the bottom. And you just basically just have a feel as to what you think is sufficient here, and you just keep repeating the process until you're satisfied with okay, this is the last part of the potting mix, and I am finishing it off with some pebbles on top just to make it look quite neat. So I'm just trying to finish it off with just the white pebbles on top, and then we're gonna start planting. I'm starting with the biggest plant that I have, the biggest succulent out of the group of selection that I have, and I'm placing this at the corner because this one tend to grow hanging on the side, so I've selected it to be at the far end of the corner of the pot. And then I'm just continuing along with the rest of the plants that I have. Again, I'm starting with the biggest succulent plant. I'm placing this on the other side of the corner as well. So you just have a feel of, have a play around as to where you want to put your plants. But I like to put them quite opposite to each other, not too close, because you have to give them some space to grow as well. So. Okay, these are the last couple baby ones that I've got, and I'm just putting them in the middle and trying to make sure they have enough potting mix in there, and yeah, so last minute decision, I have decided not to add in the aloe vera, as I think it's already quite full, my pot, and I don't want it to be overcrowded. So I'm just leaving my aloe vera on its own, and maybe I could replant that again with some others. This is the last succulent plant that I've got, which is it's quite difficult to take from the original pot. So. And voila, here it is, guys. Here is the final look of the succulent plant that I've made. Hope you enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like my video for more videos like this. Thank you.